Go to ExxonMobil. I am an expert. I know the road. I took on Lagos. I clean it up, develop it, face the Atlantic, and conquer the Atlantic for Lagos State. Bless thy soul. It is time we sweep them out. They cannot even do drainage. They blame everything on federal government. Who is collecting derivation? Are they not? Who is collecting and polluting your soil? Who is poisoning your water? You have no more fish. Do you see one there?
No way.
Get them out of the way. Sweep them.
Sweep them.
Create a broom, boom, 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 boom. Boom revolution. Boom revolution. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Boom revolution. Sweep them away. Let them out. Follow me. I know the way prosperity. Follow me. Your joy is here. Vote for me. I will make your life better.
Yes, so confirm.
Vote for me. I'm confident. We make your life better.
Confirm.
Go to Lagos and see what we make of Lagos. This is your own Miami. This is your New Orleans. Let us rebuild it together. Let us recreate tourism. Let us recreate technological hub. Let us make Nigeria a united and prosperous nation. Let us rekindle that hope, the hope for prosperity, renewed hope for your can-do, for thinking and doing. God bless you. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless.